Edward.
Hi, David. Hey, how was the drive?
Nice, nice. You know, it's amazing because I've always wanted to drive a Tamaraw. It's a Philippine icon since I was a kid. And, you know, I'm glad to know that your company actually has something to do with manufacturing some of the parts.
Yes, fortunately, our company was the one to design the rear body.
This one over here.
Yeah, I'll show you. So we were given the task by Toyota to design the whole rear body to be placed on the cabin chassis of the Tamaraw. And in that case, we also do all the metal parts in our factory.
You know, you're now on your 50th year. Congratulations.
Mr. Eddie Jose saw an opportunity in the automotive sector, a chance to build something meaningful for his young family. He started small, supplying parts for Panasonic batteries with only a few workers, a single machine. But his passion and vision were immense, and the company grew to accommodate that ambition. The heart of the operation is the press shop, giant hydraulic presses, some dating back to the 1980s, but still performing flawlessly, shape raw material sheets into crucial elements of vehicle safety and performance. We're talking about critical components for automotive giants like Toyota, Isuzu, Mitsubishi, and Honda. Each step is meticulously monitored, ensuring that each part meets the stringent quality standards demanded by Valerie's clients.
Was this the original vision of your father to be an OEM manufacturer?
Definitely. The game plan was, since he was networked with all these clients, mostly Japanese, he really wanted to make a factory doing the parts for them. The goal of my father was to get these clients to trust us to develop their parts, since it's very difficult to develop your own products in the Philippines or even elsewhere. It requires a lot of marketing, distribution, and a lot of research. And these kind of products, they're easy. And if we develop them, it's a continuous production order. So
It might seem easy on the surface. What is difficult and challenging, however, Edward, is gaining the trust of your partners.
Yes, sir.
We're talking about Japanese brands who are very strict about their quality standards, very strict about the partners they have.
This is no small feat. Japanese companies demand the highest quality, and building their trust can be a long process. But once earned, a solid partnership like this can open many more doors for trusted businesses like Valerie.
So this wall over here, Edward, marks the different milestones of Valerie over the past 50 years. Imagine that, 50 years of success. So apart from your trusted partnerships with your clients, what else went into the secret sauce of your success?
this company started out with employees, and now we call them associates. Because we call it Barangay VSO.
Okay.
Because, you know, he wants to unify everyone, but focused on the goal where the company gets uplifted and company gives back. On the 50th year of Valerie Products, we wanted to contribute and give back to society, especially to generations to come. And we have transitioned to ACEN RES because they are providing a huge amount of supply of energy from renewable facility. ACEN RES, since it's through the grid, it's providing us enough energy to run the factory.
Valerie's switch to renewable energy isn't just good for the planet and their community. It further strengthens partnerships with clients that have begun prioritizing sustainable supply chains. This is yet another lesson that Edward learned from his father.
My father used to tell me that you have to have good, honest motivation to do business. And that was the key for Japanese people to understand, or Japanese clients to understand him. He became Japanese as well.
In what way?
He was adopted by another Japanese, and he was mentored by one of the directors of that company. So it became like a mentorship to develop Japan business in the Philippines with Japanese clients or not even non-Japanese clients.
No wonder your father was awarded the very prestigious and elite award called the Order of the Rising Sun by the Japanese emperor, no less.
That's right. So he received it last November 2023. Myself and my siblings, I have two sisters, we worked. We were not given a silver spoon. We had to work hard and learn from his mentality.
You weren't given a silver spoon. You were given wooden chopsticks.
Yeah, that was good. Japanese food is my favorite.